What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. You've been asking for more impact wrenches, and today we have one for you from Kobalt. It's their 24V max. It's their half-inch unit. We're gonna go over the specs and stats. It's all coming right up. If you've been tuned into the channel for a while, you'll know that we did a video on Kobalt's 24V max cordless line, as well as their benchtop or corded line of power tools in Lowe's stores. A lot of people were asking questions about the lines. Were Kobalt tools going to be discontinued in Lowe's stores? If you want to see the answer to that question, go on over to this video here. But today, we're gonna talk about their half-inch impact wrench kit. This is 24V max, brushless. It's got max speed, max power, max runtime, max motor life. A lot of maximums going on here. You'll see it comes with the wrench, it comes with a charger, a bag, and a battery. So we see here, it's got a max RPM of 1900, max runtime. With the included battery, you're looking up to 2.5 times longer runtime than competitor, which would be the 18V 1.3 amp hour lithium-ion battery from Kobalt. So these stats are versus itself. Max power is up to 650 foot-pounds. In my opinion, this would fall in that medium duty impact. Max motor life up to 10 times longer than Kobalt brushed motors. We'll get right to the meat and potatoes of it. We have Cobalt Charger. This is their Lithium-Ion 24V max charger. If you wanted to see some charge times on this charger, how long it will take to charge your Kobalt battery, you can go to this video here. Second out of the box is the bag. The bag looks sturdy. I will say it's got a nice chunky zipper. It's got a flat bottom flap down here that will allow the bag to kind of stand up instead of being collapsed down when you place it on a table. We have the 4 amp hour 24V max battery. It's 96 watt hours, 24 volts. This one comes out of the box with 1 bar. And finally, we have the tool. I'm sorry, it's not finally. Finally, we have the instructions for the battery, for the tool. It's all very important stuff. You're gonna wanna read it from cover to cover. When you do read this cover to cover, you let us know what we missed. But for now, I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna read this later at a more opportune time. So this is the hog ring, not a pin detent. It comes coated with some plastique, and it's fighting me right now, so I'm gonna pull out my Para 3. It's sporting S110V steel. It's a Spyderco knife. It's my daily driver. I really like it. It's blurple. It's not quite blue. It's not quite purple. It's blurple. So on the side of the tool, it literally says Kobalt. It's the model number KIW 502-4B-03. I will say, it fits the hand nice. It's got a nice rubber overmold in this area. When you add that 4 amp hour battery, it's a hefty combination. Let's take a look at what it actually weighs. I'm wondering if this scale will even have enough capacity. You have 7 pounds, 10.5 ounces, tool and battery. You can see the battery itself makes up 1 pound, 11 ounces of that weight. And I'm gonna try to put the tool on here totally. Tool only is 5 pounds, 15.1 ounces. So almost 6 pounds. My question is, the combined weight of the battery on its own with the tool, does it add up? Let me know down in the comments section. Where's my scale off? We know you like all the nitty-gritty details, so of course, we're gonna give you the overall length. You're looking at a total of 9.70 inches. Total height of the tool is 11.02 inches. And then the width of the tool at its widest point, what it looked like to be its widest point, is 3.20 inches. Now I know the large majority of you are generally here for the weights and measurements portion of the video, but for a select few of you, you want to see this thing run. I feel like this is a cooking show. You ever see where they're like, they chop up all the ingredients and they're like, okay, then we pop this in the oven. And then all of a sudden, they're like, but in the meantime, we have one that's done right here. Our battery only has 1 bar, but we have a fully charged 6 amp hour battery right here. What we also have is a bunch of lag bolts that have been driven in during the videoing of Tool Test Raw. If you don't know what a Tool Test Raw is, go to this link right here. But I just want to see how it breaks away, how it takes out some of these bolts. And while we're at it, let's see how it drives one of these bolts. Pretty impressive. What also is impressive is the amount of air coming out of these cooling vents up here. It seems that there's a pretty robust fan in here. And if you like tools that have robust cooling, then smash the like button. Also, if it's your first time here, you're not already, consider getting subscribed and tapping the bell. Why do you want to get subscribed and tap the bell? Because we do videos giving you an overview of new tools all the time. Don't miss it. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.